That's a new crew if you're new. My name is Cassandra. Today we are making strawberry top syrup. I've never made this before. However, during my once a month grocery shopping haul, if you watched that for Aldi had strawberries for like $1.40 a case or $1.80 a case, something like that. It is strawberry season. They're gonna get really cheap, and they're only gonna get cheaper as the season kind of moves into itself. That being said, I didn't want to make jam this time because the strawberries will get cheaper. So this batch of strawberries I bought just for the kids and the family to enjoy. They were gone within like 24 hours. I'm not even kidding. An entire flat. But I told the kids to save all of their tops and we put them in the freezer. I had the kids put them in the freezer because I really thought that I was probably going to go into labor and wasn't going to have time to get these done. Otherwise, you could have kept them in the fridge, but mine are frozen, not that big of a deal. We're gonna pull these out, and then all we're gonna need is some sugar and some water. And we're going to get these going. This is water bath canning, so no fancy equipment here. I screenshotted a recipe here. I'm gonna follow it very loosely. It's 4 cups of strawberry tops, 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of water. We're gonna get that kind of simmering on the stove for a while. Skim it off, let it drain, strain it out, can it up. Really simple, really easy, so let's go see what we can do for today. I might actually have enough to double this because that is 4 cups and I still have these packages here. I do have enough to double this. So we're gonna be doubling this recipe today, which means I am going to dump in this pot how much water? 6 cups of water. As this is a really hands-off project today, I'm gonna take this opportunity to like unload my dishwasher, kind of rotate through my kitchen because it's still pretty early this morning, clean up from breakfast, and then I'm gonna get everything set out. I'm using my 4's canning lids today. These are regular mouse, that's what we're going to be doing today. I washed my jars last night, so get those out of the dishwasher, just rotate through everything. I will also link down below a video I did recently where we made caramel sauce and chocolate syrup. That way you can have the recipes for the caramel, chocolate, and now the strawberry top syrup. Just in time for summer for topping ice cream, really all of the things, but you can put all of those in milk as well to make your chocolate strawberry milk. Lots of options here. I also like to throw the caramel or the chocolate into a cream cheese frosting. It is absolutely delicious. But the strawberry top syrup, most likely for us, is mostly going to be used for strawberry lemonade or strawberry popsicles, things like that. So this is the first time I'm making it. We will see what it ends up actually being, but going into it, I think that's mostly what we're going to use ours for. So let's go ahead and get things rotated. Our strawberry syrup came out of a canner a couple of hours ago and it's just been sitting out on the counter now. But that's it. That's as easy as it is. Pretty straightforward, ridiculously simple, and I cannot wait to add those to my pantry shelf. I ended up getting 4 pints out of a doubled recipe. I don't know if that's common, if it's too much, if it's not enough. We will see. I'm sure people will let me know in the comments, but I'm really happy with that. I like to do small batches, especially in new recipes I don't know that we like yet. So, well, that's enough for us to kind of give it a taste test, figure out if we like it, and we will have so many more strawberries coming this season that if we do like it, it's something really easy that we can make with just things that normally would have been thrown away. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in the kitchen today, and I will see you guys in another one. Bye.